Welcome back folks. As the title suggests, this is a video covering the fitting of the TEC Bike Parts black adjustable levers. These are the tools I use for the job. You'll see the inserts for the flat and crosshead screwdriver. They're from my Motion Pro trail tool, which you can see me using here. Here we are removing the clutch lever switch. It's a very delicate item, as you can see, so you need to both take care in removing it and you need to remove it to avoid damaging it when replacing the clutch lever. Here I am just slackening off the clutch cable at the casing end and releasing it from the lever. As you can see here, it's easy just to pop out the nipple as so. Back up to the control end, remove the lock nut. You'll note there I was just taking a measurement to show the distance to the lever. This is just so I could compare when fitting the new levers. So pop that out there, give it a clean and make it ready for re-greasing when you fit the new lever. You'll see here I had just enough slack in the cable from releasing it at the other end to allow me to remove the lever without removing the cable at this end from the barrel adjuster, but you can do that by turning your barrel adjuster to the slot so you can pop the cable out to give you more room to play with. You don't need to go mad tightening this bolt down because obviously it's threaded as you tighten it in here, and then you've got a lock nut on it as well. It's only to hold your lever in position, so no need to go crazy. Here I am measuring it again to compare with the measurement before. There's only something like 5 to 10 mil, though it feels quite a bit closer when you've got the lever set on its closest adjustment. Need to go ahead and readjust this, obviously reconnect the cable and then just play with this to get adjustment. You'll see that I messed around with this a little bit to get it feeling completely right. Very important that you do this last bit of tweaking of your lever to ensure that you've got sufficient free play. This is to ensure that once you release your clutch lever, your clutch fully engages and you're not riding along burning out your clutch with it slightly slipping itself. When fitting your clutch switch back, you just need to pull in your clutch ever so slightly just to take the pressure off, to give room to slip in the switch so it doesn't snap as you try to refit it. So now we're on to the brake side. This is altogether much easier, similar process, just remove your lock nut and then remove the bolt itself. Lever just pops out nice and easy. Just be careful whenever you're messing around with this side. The switch on this side is also very delicate. You don't need to remove it to do this, but when adjusting your controls and everything, it's quite a delicate switch. It's got some little lugs on there which snap off very easily, so just take care. So, final thoughts. I thought on first fitting these, when I stood back and took a look at the bike, I'd gone a bit too far with too much black in the handlebar area, though once I've had the bike outside I'm much more satisfied with the overall look. I always run adjustable levers. They make riding bikes that much more comfortable, or at least I feel they do, so they will definitely be staying. So folks, once again, thanks for watching. That's the end of this one. There'll be another one along soon. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and click the Dorman Diaries logo above to subscribe. Ride safe.